Hi, I'm Kirly-sue and today we're making strawberry cream puffs that are fully vegan. You can't be a little bit vegan, I know. But let's get on with making strawberry cream puffs. So first you're going to roll out a sheet of puff pastry and then cut out some heart shapes with a cookie cutter. Okay, I'm here. Like that. And place them on a baking sheet that I have just in front of me here. So put them there, and then keep going till you've used all of the pastry. So most puff pastry is already vegan, but check the packaging just to make sure. Then now you're going to give it a vegan version of an egg wash, which here I've just got some almond milk. So you just brush them with a little bit of almond milk like that. Not too much, you don't want it too wet. Yeah, just like this. And then you're going to sprinkle it with a little bit sugar. So I've got some demerara sugar here. So you just hold it at a height and sprinkle. So you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Just enough to give it a little coating. And then you're going to now pop that into the oven for 8 minutes. So once they've baked, slice them in half. Well, allow them to cool, then slice them in half. So to do the filling, you're just going to take a teaspoon of jam, just a little bit, and spread that in the middle. And you're going to take some vegan squirt cream. This is the brand I'm using today. Not sponsored, but just showing you. That should be enough. Then I sliced a strawberry. Got a strawberry slicer here. And put that in the middle. So you get a nice bit of fruit in it. So it gives it a nice fresh element. And then you place that on top. And that's it, it's done. I'm just going to hold it up so you can see it, and then it's just ready for eating. I'm just going to do one more, so just some jam in the middle. Like, you can spread it to the edges actually so it looks nicer, so you can see the pop of red. Then you're going to add your cream. You don't need too much, just a little bit. And then put in your fresh strawberries. That you've thinly sliced. And then press the other half on top. That's it, we're done. So now we've made the strawberry cream puffs. They look divine. All you need to do now is taste it. They're light. You've got to make these. They're sweet, but they're not too sweet. The pastry is light and flaky. It's amazing. And then you've got that fresh hit of strawberries for the fresh element in it. The combination together with the cream, it is delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good,
eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.